One of China's most populous provinces has deleted mortality data that offered an indication of the heavy death toll from Beijing's relaxation of COVID-19 controls at the end of last year. The statistics reported by Zhejiang province on Thursday showed the number of cremations in the wealthy coastal region during the first quarter of the year jumped 73% from a year earlier to 171,000. The amount was much higher than the 99,000 and 91,000 deaths reported in the same time period in 2022 and 2021, respectively. Chinese social media was abuzz following the data report, after which Zhejiang took the numbers offline by Monday. Hospitals and crematoria were inundated with COVID patients after Beijing reversed its pandemic policy in December, but Chinese officials have not published detailed and accurate statistics that would allow researchers to better assess the deadly spread of the virus through the population. Since the start, China has relied on strict COVID measures to curb the spread of the deadly virus. When it revised its pandemic policy last year in December, hospitals and crematoria were reportedly flooded with COVID patients. But Chinese officials have not disclosed accurate statistics that would allow experts to properly estimate the impact of the virus's spread across the population. The World Health Organization even accused China of underrepresenting the severity of its coronavirus outbreak and the real number of deaths. When the COVID rules were relaxed, Chinese health officials vowed to study and help the public access death data. They dismissed concerns of underreporting. The South China Morning Post in June revealed that China has not released the number of cremations held last winter in a quarterly report. Beijing withheld a key indicator of the pandemic death toll for a period of time when the nation faced the largest COVID wave. But even months after that promise, the nation has not released any excess death data besides local level cremation data, which is the only publicly available statistics for tracking the country's death toll. But June's report by SCMP indicates that even that data is problematic.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.